Hi everybody, welcome back to How To with Matt. Today's how-to is going to be how to adjust the clip speed in DaVinci Resolve. So as you can see, I currently have a video here in the timeline of snowflakes. I'm going to press play just so you can see. You're going to see the snowflakes falling at this specific speed. I'm going to stop it. What I want to do is double the speed of the clip. So what I'm going to do is press on our clip. I'm going to come up here to the right side to the inspector, video. I'm going to scroll down to where it says speed change. I'm going to come down to speed percentage right here, and you'll see it says 100. 100 will always be our starting point. So since I want to double the speed, what I'm going to do is 100 times 2. In this case, I'm going to type in 200, of course, for that. Press enter. So now when I press play, you're going to see the speed of the snowflakes falling twice as fast as it was before. What I also want to do is show you how to decrease the speed. So in this case, I want it to be half as fast as it was before. So once again, we have 100 as our starting point. 100 times 0.5 is going to be 50. So I'm going to type in 50 right there, press enter. So now when I press play, you're going to see the snowfall half as fast as it was before. Make sure to check my DaVinci Resolve tutorial playlist, which is right here on the screen to learn more. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, give it a like, comment below with any questions or comments. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.